धरोहर है। वे सिर्फ किसी सोच या अनुभव को आकार नहीं देती, बल्कि अस्तित्व तय करती है। और अगर भिन्न भाषाओं का संगम हो जाए तो इतिहास रच जाता है। ज़बान इंसान की पहचान है, एक ऐसा आईना जो खुद से खुद को मिलाता है। A very good morning to all the wonderful people present here. I am elated to be part of International Institute of Business Studies. It's a moment of great pleasure for me to present the welcome speech on the occasion of National Translation Workshop, Basha Sangama 2, a celebration of linguistic diversity. It marks the unique symphony of languages of country and is an expression of our shared dreams. On this August occasion, in absentia, I extend a hearty welcome to our esteemed chief guest, Mr. K. Gopalaya, Honorable Minister of Food and Civil Supply, Government of Karnataka. A very warm welcome to our eminent resource persons, Dr. Subhash Rajmane, Assistant Professor and Translator, GFGC, Yelahanka. We welcome you, sir. Dr. Prabhashankar Premi, Retired Principal, Translator, Bangalore University. Thank you so much for your presence, sir. Professor R. Venkatarama, HOD Department of English, GFGC, Gudibande. We welcome you here, sir. Thank you so much for your presence. I'd also like to extend a hearty welcome to Mr. Maheshwari Reddy, Director, Admission Department. Thank you so much here, sir, to be here. I now gladly welcome Dr. Jaiprakash, founder and chairman of IIBS. He is an indomitable spirit and epitome of inspiration to all of us. Welcome, sir. I extend a cordial welcome to Dr. Tirupaneni Jaggaya, Principal IIBS. He is a guiding force behind the organization of this program. And a warm welcome to our co-conveners, Dr. Shankar Narayana Shastri, Department of Hindi, Dr. Basavaraju KB, Department of Kannada, Professor Muni Anjanappa K, Department of English. Thank you all for your valuable contributions towards this program. I also like to take this opportunity to extend an amiable welcome to all the esteemed guests from various institutions. We welcome you all. Indeed, it's our pleasure to have you all here. Last but nevertheless, I extend a pleasant welcome to all the teaching and non-teaching staff. Thank you all for your support and thank you all to be here. Thank you all.